Hello? I should be... Oh, hold on. I can hear myself. I hope that doesn't... Okay. Oh, I should probably also... Wait, do I have... Oh, yeah, I do have this open. The... What's it called? This thing. Maybe I should also open up the YouTube chat and stuff on a separate device like last time. I've done, like, minimal preparation for this stream. Oh, whoops. My mic is in the way of... tracking... My tracking thing, whatever. YouTube, please... Hold on, am I live right now? I can't tell. YouTube's being... Connect streaming software to start preview? What do you mean, connect streaming software to start preview? What? Oh, now it's... Okay. I'm quickly gonna grab a device to put the YouTube chat on. 1 sec. Oh no, that's all the way over there. Precariously balancing on the tip of my chair. Oh, right, I should also... I had some pizza earlier, so I should probably make sure I get enough insulin to deal with that. I also ate some other stuff, so probably like 120 carbs is about right. Okay. And make sure I sit comfortably. How far behind is this preview? Also, I might be I might have a cold or something. Just saying. So if you hear me, like, sniff a lot, sniffle, whatever, the thing like that, there's a reason for it. I might have a cold, and that probably also impact my voice somehow. I don't know. Right, I was gonna open up the YouTube chat. Oh, this device is 7% charged. That's good. I should probably grab this charger. Oh, it's new pirate software short. Interesting. I'll watch that later. Right now I gotta open up the YouTube chat. I keep forgetting what I'm doing. There. Okay, open up the stream. Make sure the audio is muted because I don't want to hear myself. Okay. This is... No, don't make a clip. I accidentally pressed the clip button above the chat. YouTube, please. No, I don't want to... Stupid app. Okay, there we go. So I did some stuff off stream because I got really bored. I hope that's fine. Let me open up this here. So, I implemented asynchronous loading of things, of assets. So, it, loads them into blobs. Or blob URLs. Those kind of things. And, stuff. Yeah. So, if I quickly slash this, I can actually demonstrate it. So, let me open up the dev tools here. Go to network and refresh this. So, right now I have throttling disabled. If I now set throttling to 3G, so, getting on a really bad connection, or simulating really bad connection, I mean, it will take a bit to load the base assets, and this pop-up finally has a purpose. And then here, this has already been loaded. This is a very simple image, only like 14 kilobytes. So this displays relatively fast compared to the other image, which is considerably more complicated. So when we get there to the other image, it waits until that's loaded, and then continues the, like, script. Thing is, though, like, because it's constantly loading in the background, so if you just don't skip through the text, read at a reasonable pace, everything should load in time, even on, like, a 3G connection. Speaking of which, I should disable that here, because I don't want to deal with the throttling here. But yeah, this pop-up is now functional. I also removed the other, like, loading base assets thing here, because I don't want to figure out how to make that work. So here we have the text box. If I now wait for this image here to finish loading... Oh, right, can you say that? I'm not sure. Is that... Oh, it's by my tail. vTube Studio, where are you? Here, just... out of the way. Here, this. If it finishes loading, like now, it took like 20 seconds to load that image, which is insane, by the way. Nice connection. So on a 3G connection, that would take like 20 seconds to load. But if you take that much time to even get to the image in the first place, it will display instantly, because it's loaded it beforehand in the background. And I want to use this to, for example, load the next scene in the background while the current one's going on, so everything's ready just in time. Or, for example, to, let's say you make, like, a choice that changes your route in the future. I can start preloading that route as soon as you make the choice. So I don't load anything that is, like, unnecessary for your route, which I think is kind of cool. All right, let's move the model back. Come on, back over it. Yeah, right there is probably fine. I wonder if I should. I was thinking maybe I should hide vTube Studio from the stream, but I doubt it really matters. Like, ooh, you get to see my vTube Studio. Not much about it. You just see a blue background, practically. Right, I had some stash changes here to, like, I use this for demonstration. So, like, I posted about this on social media, so I wanted to demonstrate, what I did in code. So let me quickly open this in VS Code. So, how this works is that you specify the assets your scene needs beforehand, and as soon as you're ready to start loading a scene, you can do script.prepare. Like, you get like a, script handle.prepare. I made like a whole, like, abstraction for these scripts. So, while you can just use proper JavaScript or TypeScript to call whatever script you want, it's probably a good idea to make sure your stuff is loaded beforehand, so I want to have an abstraction for that, and to actually, like, associate this with your scene via types and stuff. So this entire script is typed as a script type, if I recall. Where's that again? I think that's under, like, novel runtime. Or, like, the script, class here. Which, right, it's an imported script file. So an imported script file, just has a required assets export that is a quote-unquote string map, which is just, like, keys with, string keys with string values, and then we have a default export, which is a function that takes the novel runtime and the assets needed for the scene. and those assets are just like an object with as keys just the same keys you put in your required asset string map, and as values, a bunch of promises, which you can await to get the assets, or like the assets URL. At least for right now. I don't know if I want to change that later. Instead of giving the URL directly, maybe I should just give like some kind of asset reference or something if I ever put an abstraction on that. Let's go to entry points here. So we load charlotte.png into like the member variable key thing Charlotte, and ponk2 gets ponk number2.png. And then as soon as we're ready to use an asset, we can await it to get the URL. Or URI, or no, it's a URL, I think. I think blob URLs are still considered URLs. So yeah, this gets the URL, and if the asset hasn't been loaded yet, it will wait for it to load and then give the URL. So this way, the script can pause to load by just awaiting the asset. And then we can just continue as normal. Yeah, that's what I did. I'm gonna... Let's see, what do we have here? We have, on the to-do list, I added a bunch of items after the last stream, including, like, the asynchronous loading thing. I think I added that after the stream as well. Just because I realized I should put some more stuff onto the to-do list. So, we have remove pointer events none from characters as it... Right, I can do that now. So, where's the pointer events none thing? Is that in here? Character container pointer events none, yeah. I can remove this since this button thing is in front anyway now. So, oh, vtuber studio just hung for a second, I think. Let's oh, this is still on the throttling mode. Okay. So, I mean, yeah, this seems to be working fine no matter where I click, so I can just commit that. And I should also remove that item from the to-do list if I remember where my to-do list is, or VS Code is. There, just remove that, and remove pointer events none. Put that in a small little code block, inline code block, and push. I'll commit this with like character or no, asset awaiting demo, because I do just want to get this out of my modified file list. Okay, fix continue arrow size on small displays. Right, so if we go back to this here, and if I make the screen smaller, the continue arrow will go off screen, and it doesn't really shrink ever. Right now I think it's sized by EMs or whatever, which is, or at least it's like, its actual, like its text size is EMs, but its div size is percentages, which is mismatching. Yeah. As you can, hold on, I should probably pause this or something. Where's, sources. Pause. Here. Oh. Well, the debugger paused, but okay. How do I... Whatever. You can... If I just hover over this, you can see that the arrow is clipping out of the, like, blue rectangle it is supposed to be in. Which is definitely a problem. And I gotta figure out how to deal with that. Let's see, so the font is... Oh, hold on, the font is just set to always be 32 pixels. That is inherited from somewhere, probably. I think? Wait, no. Wait, yeah? Wait, where is the font size defined? Or is that just, is that computed? Font size 32 pixels, where is this computed from? Font size 2 EM. Okay, so it isn't EM, yeah. Can I... How do I shrink the texts to the div's size again? Yawn. Wait, what is this? Oh, why is this on screen? Why is this on screen? Isn't this supposed to be right negative 100%? Right 0. Text align right. Where is... Oh no, hold on. It's supposed to be its parent. Yeah, right negative 100%. Why is this... Oh, it's because 100% is currently smaller than the size of than the width of this element. So I should do max negative or min negative. No, wait. Negative max 100% 25 EM probably. Let's fix that now. So negative 100%. Just search for that. There's only one instance of that. Let's do max 100% 25 EM. That probably works. Uh-oh, what's wrong here? Invalid property value. Okay, so I probably just gotta do min instead. Min and then negative 100%, negative 25 EM. Ah, there we go. Now it works. Yeah, okay, so now it's fully off screen, which is good. So, make sure loading box stays off screen. I also remembered yesterday that the global style thing exists, like, oh, whoops. Like, this. Which I should probably, like, since I'm, like, using Svelte head in, wait, am I only using that once? Svelte head. Oh yeah, I'm only using that once. Maybe I should refactor this out. Though, this is kind of important, so... I don't know, this is probably fine. Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay, I really gotta deal with this arrow. So how am I planning on doing this? Can I do, like, text with... No. Text size adjust? Wait, what is that? What does that do? Okay, let's go to MDN. I should probably register a search thing for that. One sec. Quickly gonna hide my screen just to make sure nothing goes wrong. just to make sure I don't show anything that I shouldn't. Where are my arc settings? Manage search engines and site search. Can I... Oh! Interesting, it has a bunch of default and active things here. I should see if... Because I'm currently thinking about adding like an MDN search. Okay, I'll just add one manually. So MDN. And I think I can show this. So I'll unhide my screen. Let's search for... Please fill out this field. Yeah, I know. Let's search for... What was that? What was that? Text size adjust. I actually want to get the search results page for this. Oh. Interesting, limited availability. This is an experimental technology. Okay, hold on. Text size. I'm just gonna. Oh, it's auto complete. Okay, how about text size? No. Texts, please. Give me multiple results, please. Where's your results page? Test, sure. Search results for tests. There you go. So just take this, go to site search, add a site search for MDN. Shortcut is MDN, and then %s. Is this using like printf formatting? Is this like, what if I put like %d in here? Will it try putting a number in there? I don't know. I wonder if that's unsafe. Or if they just re-implemented formatting. Okay, so if I now do like MDN, search MDN for, let's do text size adjust. Okay, well, it searches for text size adjust, but can I have it automatically jump to the results page? I wonder if that's just functionality specific to the search box. Whatever, I'm not gonna bother with that right now. This is good enough. So, text size adjust. What is this? Controls the text inflation algorithm used on some smartphones and tablets. What? What? What is this? What is a text inflation algorithm? I kinda don't want to Google that. Okay. Because many websites have not been developed with small devices in mind, mobile browsers differ from desktop browsers in the way they render web pages. Instead of laying out pages at the width of the device screen, they lay them out using a viewport that is much wider, usually 800 or 1000 pixels, to map the extra wide layout back to the original device size. They either show only part of the whole render, or scale the viewport down to fit. Right. So it's saying, like, since, here. Since most, websites are built for, like, wide screens, like this, or maybe even, like, 4x3 screens in some cases, like this, and mobile screens are usually vertical, they're saying that they're just laying out the page at this wide size, but then just making it taller and just doing this basically. So instead of doing effectively like how do I instead of doing this effectively, trying to give it like the actual height of the screen, kinda, I think it's saying that it's just emulates like a smaller, it emulates like a wider screen, and then places that as like a smaller screen onto the larger screen and just makes the actual visible portion taller. I think that's what that's saying. I think. I am not sure. Can you tell I'm not sure? Okay. Okay, what this has to do with adjusting the text size in this scenario, and I'm not sure this is entirely relevant. How do I... where is the text? What does text transform? Oh, that's for, like, capitalization, right. Wait, what is this cross mark, what thing? What is this? Is this saying it's wrong? Or, like... What does this symbol mean? It's not giving me a tooltip. What does this mean, MDN? Tell me. Okay, unless that's not available on this browser or something? What is the browser compatibility? Ooh, I see, we have some incompatibility. Dutch A diagraph? Why is that capitalized like that? Hold on, what's up with this A diagraph? Hold on. I'm interested now because this mentions my native language, Dutch. In Dutch, now the A diagraph becomes, capital letters IJ, even with TypeScript. So this is saying, like, on Firefox, if you try to... Okay, so... let's go to the console here. Just clear this. It's saying, like, if you have, Asia, like this, which means, like, ice cream, or, like, small ice cream, but it uses, like, the y, J-E particle, which is... used to indicate that something is, like, smaller. Or I guess that would be called a particle. Whatever, so it's, indicating that this is, like, a small ice cream. Or just an ice cream, because it's also just common to say this to indicate, like, any kind of ice cream. If you just say... this without the particle, you might as well be referring to a large block of ice. Anyway, because this starts with IJ, which is a single, like, tone, or, like, you pronounce this as, like, A, which is one thing. I guess Firefox is saying that if you were to, like, title case this, it would capitalize both the I and the J. Like this. Which seems kind of odd to me. I don't think that's... what? I mean, I guess it's readable, but... is that how that's supposed to work? I don't think I learned about this in school. Hold on, I'm actually going to Google this. How are you supposed to capitalize that? Or actually, if I just use, like, translate or something, like, translate.google.com. So, from English to Dutch, ice cream. Yeah, it does just only capitalize the I, like I expected. What's up with that? Unless this is because I am currently on a Chromium browser. Wait, is this using that CSS style? Okay, where's this? No, is this using transform? No, it's not. Whoops. Okay, I don't know what keybind I pressed, but whatever. Yeah, so this isn't using that, so I assume this is just kind of weird. What? So what? Okay, what is up with this? The A digraph becomes both of these, even with capitalized, which only puts the first letter of the word in uppercase. Yeah, why do they do that? The German S become, or like the, what's this character called again? Right. Well, whatever. This character, becomes the double S, which makes sense, but both also in uppercase. Sure, I don't know how the Germans deal with, I don't know how they normally do that. It's just that I don't think this is how we normally do it in Dutch. Mozilla just kind of decided to do that, I guess. Thanks, Mozilla. I don't think that's how my language works. Okay, that is completely unrelated to what I was doing. Just got sidetracked, I guess. Right, fix the continue arrow. So, how do I handle this? Because there's also like a situation where, like this, where it's suddenly wider than it's tall. And at like, a 1x1, thing, it's square. Although this isn't 1x1, I think. Yeah, it's not. But if this were like 1x1, if this were 1x1 aspect ratio, this would be a square. Because I did the math to make sure that's the case. Should I maybe do like, make it so its font size is like the smallest of the, like the min of the width and heights? Maybe? Okay, I'm gonna try that. So, font size is min of would that still be 100? Would it be 100%, or would it be relative to the parent? I'll try relative to the parent first. So 5. No. Okay. 100%. 100%. Wait, no. Wait, what 100% is it using here? What? Which 100% is it using here? Okay, so this, I could also just say like 5 VW, 5 VH. That's actually quite tall. But this should work, probably. I could probably, no, well, this seems awkward. I guess it makes logical sense. Still fits. And here it just becomes minuscule, which I'm not sure I want. But it probably also checks out. just not sure how I feel about, like, hold on, here it's clearly going off screen for some reason. Why? Hold on, if I do, like, because I assume, this is right now taking 5 VH as its font size. How big is that? Font size is... Oh, I thought it said font size normal for a second. No, it's the wrong one. 54 pixels. But if the font size is 54 pixels, why is it going out of the box? Why are you doing that? Why is it doing that? Why? – 54 pixels is less than 56 pixels, which is the apparent actual size of this container. Yeah, so just like 56 and the font size is 54. But if the font size is smaller, then why is it going outside? Hold on, if I... Can I, like, select this text element? Yeah, why is that taller? It's supposed to be 54 pixels, but it's 87 tall. Why? This seems stupid. Am I stupid, or is this stupid? Oh, hold on, you can't see shit. I'm in the way again. Whoops. I'm terribly sorry. I'm talking about this. I gotta make sure this is caught up. Okay. Sorry, I'm... Right, okay, sorry, I got distracted by double-checking that I'm actually out of the way right now. So I'm talking about this. I'm very sorry for you not being able to see what I was talking about. Maybe I should, like, move my model, like, over here or something. That's one way to make sure I'm out of the way. So, this thing here, it's supposed to have a font size of 54 hold on, so, yeah, 5 VH and 2 EM, which, whatever, the 2 EM is nothing, that's not taking priority anyway. But if this is supposed to be 54 pixels, why is this 87 pixels tall? Does this take a... No, this doesn't have a different height. Like, the computed style for this says this should be 56 pixels tall. The font size should be less than that, but it is taller. Man, like, CSS is so stupid. Why is this? Why are you stupid, CSS? Why are you like this? Okay, so let's go look at more of these computed CSS styles. So, let's see, that's animation related. Unless there's anything above this? No. Rendered fonts. The width is this. Does the width matter? Wait, what is it? No, it's smaller than the width. That's just its parent div's width. User select is none, of course. Bidirectional, Unicode, text align center. This again applies to the parent mostly. And then I guess this height also just applies to the parent, but why is the text bigger than its font size? Okay, time to Google this, I guess. CSS, why is text bigger than font size? Font size on MDN. Sure, that'll probably help. Let's move my model. Okay. This should be out of the way. So, let's see. The font size CSS property sets the size of a font. Changing the font size also updates the size of the relative font size relative length units, such as EM, EX, and so forth. What is the EX unit? I only know about EM and REM. I'm not, like, with that, I mean, I'm also mostly familiar with those, but I haven't really looked into, like, EM and REM, and I guess EX as well. But, so this can take absolute size values, relative size values. You can font size smaller. Yes, I want my font size smaller. How small? No, it's just smaller. Yeah, okay. One sec, someone's knocking on my door. Alright, let's see. So, I'm gonna quiet down a bit because apparently someone wants to sleep right now. Let's see, so you can do percentage values, you can do math stuff, and yeah, the like, standard global, whatever, refer later, that kind of thing. So, what is these relative size keywords, by the way? I don't see anything in the results. Oh, there it is. I mean, this is certainly smaller and larger, but okay, whatever. Pixel, setting the font size of pixel values is a good choice when you use pixel accuracy. Finding font size and pixels not accessible. Yeah, that's also why I'm using EMs. Using an EM value creates a dynamic or computed font size. Hold on. I am using EX, EM units, blah blah blah. X height. What is X height? I'm decided on this name. Okay, where is the... Let's see, pixels, EMs, where's the percentages thing? I'm using percentages, or like viewport units, I guess. Wait. This makes no mention of viewport units. Can you not use viewport units? I'm also using a math value, so... Hold on, is this not supposed to work? They just reset it by doing this or something? Hold on, so if I do this and then change the font size, I could probably even... What was that again? Ah, like this. It does definitely become bigger if I say like 10 VH or something. So it's certainly working. But why is it bigger? So what if I now say like the equivalent in pixels? 54 pixels. It's the same, but it's also bigger. Why? Why are you doing this? Okay, so, this is kind of awkward. Okay, I gotta look at font size again. So it's the size of the font. Wait, does this set, like, the height of the font from the baseline and not, like, its total height? Is that how that works? How does CSS font size work? Specify sizes, but be more specific. The size of the text. I know it's the size of the text, but is font size measured or specified by the height of a line, which is the full height required to display the gamut of characters. Gamut? What does gamut mean? Define gamut. The complete range or scope of something. Okay. So, but doesn't that mean that I'm still confused. Does that just mean I can? Well, where is the? Here, character.spell. No, wait, not character. Where's text box? What if? Not arrow. I set like font size. Min 5 vh 5 vw 5 vh and I do like times 0.5 and then math. Is that how that works? No? How does CSS math work again? CSS calc, right. Why is it gone? Oh. Alright, it was gone because it was still typewriting, but that seems a bit small. Okay, how about like 75? That seems more reasonably sized. But is that still the case on smaller displays? Oh, that gets quite tiny. How big is my phone screen again? Okay, that's definitely... I mean, so I'm holding my phone in front of my screen right now to try and measure this. Something like this. Right, so the fact that I'm using 5% of the width is kind of hurting me here. Might be fine. Actually, I'll just try it on my phone. I'll quickly open up this page on my phone. Okay, it actually looks fine on my actual phone. Can I do this on like full screen mode? Right, there's no manual way to enable full screen mode. But yeah, this looks fine on my phone. Okay. Then it's probably good. Alright. Make a block comment. Hack. Arrow seems too big. There. Probably good. Okay. So that hopefully resolves the issue with this arrow. Actually, is this how big it is on like ultra-wide displays? How big is this? I think I should make it like slightly bigger. Actually, maybe not. What aspect ratio is ultra-wide? Tell me. 21 by 9. Okay. Let's do like 1246 divided by 21 times 9. 534. Let's just paste that in here. So this is ultra wide. Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay, yeah, sure. Probably not actually a real issue. Oh, what if I rotate my phone screen, actually? Refresh. Actually, like, yeah, it just looks fine on my rotated phone screen as well. I'm really underestimating the clarity of small screens. Or like the clarity of small elements on small screens. Okay, yeah, this is fine. I'm gonna open up the YouTube chat again. Uh-oh, YouTube chat just broke. Oops. Oh, hello Oreo. Try display inline block and line heights. Oh, line height. Right, that was a property, wasn't it? MDN line heights. Also, I think it might already have inline block. No, it has, wait, no. Which thing had inline? What was that? Inline Flex. I thought something here had inline. Inline? Oh, the ellipsis had inline flex. Okay. I'm misremembering, I guess. But, line height's probably a good idea. Let's have a look at line heights. Let's see, line height, CSS property sets the line of a line box? A line box? What is a line box? Let's see, can be a percentage of length, whatever. Okay, so what if I do that? So font size with line heights. Wait, oh no, hold on, I just remember what line height is. Line height specifies, like, how tall each individual, like, text line is. I mean, you can try that, but line heights is, let's do like 75%. Now I can probably remove this calc. I think that's how this works. Let's refresh this. Okay, hold on, what did this do? Line heights. Okay, well, it certainly made the line less tall. So... Okay. I mean, this definitely fits within the box now. Does that always fit in there? This could be taller now. Why is that so small? Oh, probably because... Well, I could probably multiply it by 2 or something now. I assume this worked? Oh, no, never mind. Right, this doesn't account for the width. Was this kind of what you meant, or am I stupid? I'm gonna put this back to 0.75 and comment this out for now. I'm just kind of thinking right now, like, how would I, if I used line heights, how would I handle the width? Not really, no. Same line height as font size. Sure, I'll try that. So... what if I copy paste this entire thing first? Oh, whoops. What did I do? I accidentally changed tabs with the keybind for that. Okay. Maybe without the times 0.75. It's just me, or is this smaller? Or is it the same size? Oh, I could probably measure that. Right now it is 19 pixels, and now it is 14 pixels. Okay. If I redo this... Interesting. Oh, this can... Wait, did I set like a minimum size on that? Or why is that taking up the entire screen? Why is that taking up the entire screen? Height is 15%. If it is 15%, why is it taking up the entire screen right now? Is this what 15% means to you, CSS? Let's see, sounded like that is what you needed. But I assume this display set to inline block. I think that's default. That's default, isn't it? Isn't like block or inline block default? Oh yeah, it's display block. Let's try inline block. I don't know what that changed. I don't know what that changes. I'm clicking the checkbox here to change it. I don't think it's changing anything. Like, I don't expect it to change anything because it's inline, and there isn't really much for it to be in line with, given that it's using absolute positioning, so... I don't know, I just thought you wanted the size of the elements to be the same as the font size. Well, it's more so that I just want this arrow to take up as much space in this box as it can, but maybe I should just use an image for that. Can I render this like an SVG? Can I render this text to a scalable vector graphic? I mean, I probably can. Well, I'll open up Inkscape. New document. Let's do like a document size of like 16 by 16, not millimeters, pixels, please. It's not going to be that size in practice, but just a good default size I have. So if I now put like this arrow in here, well, I've got to put something there first so the element doesn't like disappear on me. Where's this arrow? This. Okay, I've got the arrow. And if I now just like... Well, I also gotta change its fill and stroke to be like... Did I just make it pure white? What color is it? Computed color is white, yeah. Let's see. Let's change this to pixels. Hello. And... Whoa. That's too much. I said 16, not 168. Like... center this or something? I could probably just... Oh. Inkscape, why are you not responding? Okay, just... wasn't responding for a second, I don't know why. Okay, let's do... paste, please. What happened if you use max instead of min? Well, then it would just, like, right now it's using min, so it takes a smaller of the two axes sizes. If I use the max here, it would try to grow to the height here, which would mean it would go off screen horizontally, and then if it was wider than install, it would go off the screen vertically. Like, here, it's currently taking the biggest axis, meaning it's going out of the bounding box now. And here you can see it will go off screen like this. I should really just use an image for this, like an SVG. Okay, it's a math of this, so 15.205, 16 minus, oh, comma, because stupid. I hate Dutch math. Okay, there, and paste. Hello? I also gotta clear my clipboard, really. Let me quickly do that. Okay. So, copy this, please. I have this on my clipboard. So now, why is it not accepting my keyboard inputs? Is this still working? Yeah. Paste. Backspace. Paste. Can't paste text outside of the text tool. What do you mean? I'm trying to type in this box. Okay, I'll type it manually, I guess. 3975. 3975. Why are you like this? Oh, whoops. Okay, can I turn this into a path now so it always looks the same? Or path, object, or path. Yeah, that works. Nice. Maybe I can also make it not hollow now. Yeah, it was poof. Do I like this more? As a continue arrow, or do I like the hollow one more? I'll actually stick with the hollow one for now, I can always change this later. Let's put this in my downloads, call it the continue arrow SVG. Right, and maybe you should change the math setting. For the math thing in the settings? What do you mean change the math thing in the oh, right, in the macOS settings, so I'll see if that's possible. Hold on. macOS use instead of comma. Let's see, decimal separator. Decimal. Date and number formats. Number format. That. Okay, I think that worked. 16.9 times 2. Yay, it does the thing. Comma and full stop. Yay. Okay, I just changed it. Cool. So now I can, like, 6.9 times 2 is 13.8. If I do like 16,9, it won't work. So, yay, thanks for the suggestion. Okay, going back to this. Yeah, I saved this so I can quit out of Inkscape. And let's go to, where's the static folder? Let's open this in Finder. And do I want it to reload this every time? Probably not, right? I could probably do like style display is can continue. I think that's how that works. Hold on, what was? Hold on, notice. Oh, right. So can continue. None. And then I'll do image source is continue arrow svg, alt is continue arrow. Does that work? I should probably also apply a style to the arrow itself now. Or I could just do like all images in the arrow div, so div arrow. There's an image. Or not, wait, arrow image there. With 100% height, 100%. Something like that. Forget how that works. Okay, yeah, that seems to be working. Should probably make it like smaller. Because now it's a bit big, but maybe I should, it's also a bit thin, so let's open this back up in Inkscape. Right, I did convert this to a path, so can I undo that? Do I have undo history? No. Where's my... Here, if I just paste the arrow again. Oh. Don't actually have that on my clipboard anymore. Uh-oh. Just undo until it's here, I guess. There. Almost lost the arrow. Okay, this, let's make that. If I make that bigger, it doesn't actually change. Spacing, where's font weight? Does this have font weight? Whatever, I can always just delete this and probably like inset this. Where's my bounding box? Where's my scale bounding box? things. Tools, selector tool, untransforming show. Is it this? Why are you not closing? What the heck is happening? No. Node tool. Always show outline. Is that it? Oh, that's that outline. The wrong kind of outline. Show transform handles. Is this it? Please respond to my thing. Where's the transform thing? Please respond to me clicking the close button. I'm clicking the close button. Please work. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna Google this. Inkscape transform nodes. Scaling and rotating in node edit mode. Node tool has two selection modes. You can use the button on a controls bar. Okay, so there's a button here for it. Is it this? No, it's object of path. Show transformation. Hey, there it is. This is what I was looking for. So now I can scale this. Though, now I think about it. What if I just scale this down? Like this or something. I don't know, just freehanding it. It still seems a bit, can I really not change like the font weight? Where is the font weights for this thing? Spacing between baselines. Font not found on system, sans serif. Hold on. What if I Inkscape fonts weights? Oh, is that right? I need to select a wait, is it? Oh, what about bold? No. Yeah, what if it's just like San Francisco or something? Where is SF? Sure, let's go with SF mono. No? Okay. This just seems the same. But the browser seems to be picking it up fine. Like when I use the arrow text. Yeah, this seems to have a different font weights. Unless I'm stupid. Yeah, it seems way too thin. Text direction. Positioning. Whoa, what was that animation? Interesting, I've never seen Inkscape do UI animation before. Okay. But where is so sans serif? Hello, please scroll. Okay, whatever. So just select this again, even though it's not present. Just keeping it at the defaults. What is up with the? Give me my font weights. Escape font weights. Search that again. Object to path? What are you saying? Okay, I'm gonna
Can edit it.
mute,
So we're gonna
mute. Object to path. What are you doing? No way. Okay, hold on. This is kind of stupid, I think. So you're turning it into a path, not even using the text. And then, what was that option? Can't see shit because it's not in a decent resolution. Path. Linked offsets. I mean, you could probably do like path insets or something. I just realized this is still wrong. Now I think. Wait, why is it? What is it? Hop? Right, undo. Undo history. Okay. First, let's change this to like this, and secondly, let's have insets. Whoa, what? If I select this first, path, insets. What? Path. Out. outsets. How do I specify by how much? Inkscape has crashed and will now close. Thanks, Inkscape. Let's try that again. Why is it doing that again? And do, I guess, open this. So, kind of like, is this moving at half a millimeter roughly? What if I just do like, can I do less? No, that's more. That is changing desktops. That's unchanged. Doesn't matter how much I zoom in. I want to like move this a tiny bit. Come on, just work. Dynamic offsets? What? Wait, that was just an action? What did that do? What is this? That's zoom? Yeah. How do I change how much insets and outset does? Whoops. Okay, well that is the insets keybind. Then outsets does. What just happened? Okay. Well, that was not what I was looking for, but that was certainly interesting. Can I just... Whoops. No, I don't. That's too manual. I'm gonna make mistakes if I do that. Ah, this is so annoying. Hey, what if I do just commit to scaling it like this? What if I save that and reload now? Okay, I mean that looks better. It's probably good enough. I kinda don't want to bother any further. this. No, whoops. Where is... here. Well, this seems a bit small now, doesn't it? Wait, it's using the arrow. Using the arrow text. Shoot. Wasn't looking at the right thing. I'm like, oh yeah, this looks good. And it was just the arrow text. Whoops. I mean... sure. Yes. Is this looking good? I can't tell. What if I make it like... no, actually that doesn't work. I was thinking maybe I could do like a quick compare if I make a change, if I hover, but that's not a great way of doing that, because if you do like element colon hover display none, then it's just gonna flash in and out of existence. Like here, hold on. Style is... oh, hold on. Can I do style hover? Is that a thing? No. Whatever. It's not that important. Should this be a bit smaller, maybe? They seem a bit large right now. But maybe that's just because I'm used to the old one. This just seem fine like this. And like this, but maybe it's like a margins thing. Probably too used to the old thing. This is probably fine. I don't know. Can always change it later. Let's just commit this now. Alright, now I have to... can I... Field Finder just... go away. Pretend that doesn't exist. Right now I can probably adjust it. Well, actually I'll remove this. There, do this. Commit this first and then... commit the other stuff. Change arrow. And now I can do this. Make continue arrow and SVG. There. Good enough. But it does seem way bigger than the text, though. Is it better if I... yeah, if I make the text bigger, it does seem fine. It's whatever. Maybe I should just make the default font size bigger or something. Okay. What else is on my to-do list? So, I can remove this now. Fix has been implemented. Update the to-do list. Control codes for right. I'll implement those some other time. Using references for characters, figuring out animations. So about this, thought about it a bit. And then I realized, or I remembered the idea I originally had for animations and stuff, which is just using CSS animations. But that might require adding like more HTML elements, which I'm not sure if I want the user. I'm not sure if I want to require the user to touch the CSS or the HTML or svelte directly. So I'm still not entirely sure about how I'm gonna handle that. But that's it's probably gonna be CSS animations, at least for like the standard way of doing it. You can always do live 2D as like an alternative option. Sound of music playback. What's like the standard way to, is it still the like sound elements or whatever? What is the, hold on, is there like a ambient audio? It's like a web audio API? Audio context. The audio context constructor creates a new audio context which represents an audio processing graph from audio modules linked together, each represented by an audio node. What? Okay, so there definitely is a web audio API. Okay, let's see. Oscillator node? Wait, is this like a thing in JavaScript? Oscillator node? Oscillator node, yeah. That's a thing that exists. Okay. A simple, typical workflow for web audio would look something like this. Create an audio context. Inside the context, create sources such as audio... Wait, so just an audio HTML element? But isn't that bad? I thought the audio HTML element was dumb and stupid and caused too much latency. Oh, oops. I tried muting that, but I don't know if that was audible. The mute button on my mic is a bit shoddy. So sometimes I press it and it thinks I press it twice. Okay, so audio context interface represents an audio processing graph built from audio modules linked together. So is this like linking multiple audio effects or something? Audio node represents an audio processing module like an audio source, for example, an HTML audio or video elements, audio destination, immediate processing module, or a volume control like a gain node. Okay, let's try something. What's an audio file I can play? Ignore the stuff on my desktop here. I can probably even delete this. I did some Minecraft related things. Actually, we can, hold on, let's actually do this on stream. Actually, not all the people seem to be in chat, whatever. Says it requires audience interaction. Let's see, BAs, right, that has audio files in it, but like this is the, we have like the background music I'm playing right now. Maybe I could just pause my music and play an audio file from this folder. Like this or something. Let's just copy this into the static folder. Rename this to like mischievous step. Just very simple file name instead of 20 billion characters. Mischievous step.mp4 or mp3, not mp4, and go to the entry points required in the assets. Mischievous step. I hope I spelled that right. And I think I spelled that wrong. Oh, yep. Mischievous. Not mischievous, it's mischievous. I'm stupid. Mischievous step. Okay. And I can unset awaits assets dot mischievous step, and actually let's make an audio element. So HTML audio elements const audio is new HTML audio elements audio dot source is then documents dot body dot pin child audio. Does that immediately play, or do I need to tell it to autoplay? Audio dot play. Oh, that's a function. Hold on, what if I call this without appending it? Does this work? A legal constructor. Where is this? Oh, can I not do new HTML audio elements? What's wrong with this? Tell me. Okay, MBN HTML audio elements. Constructors audio. Oh. Okay. Okay, that jump scared me. That was loud, but it certainly worked. So I don't even need to append it to the document body. I can just play it and then let's do audio. Volume is like 0.5, maybe 0.25, and then can I? After this text box, can I say like audio, let's stop, pause? Is that, how do I stop it? Let's see, current time, duration, pause, muted. To stop it, do I just need to like drop it? Like garbage collecting it? Like delete audio? Something? How do I get this context again? Is it just this? Oh, it's just possibly undefined. Right. Is it not? Okay, let's audio.pause, whatever. I'll figure out how to destroy the audio thing later. stop after these text boxes. Nice. Okay, so playing audio isn't too much of an issue. Could make like a helper function for this, maybe. Actually, I could make it so you can just pass in this without having to await it, and you can just have it start playing as soon as it's loaded. And then you can await it to wait until it's loaded. That seems like a good idea. So let's do that. Let's go to novel runtime. I'm doing this on my split screen. Let's do that here. Okay. Create audio. Let's do assets is assets. I said, yeah, it is a promise. Okay. And it should probably be async, and it returns a promise of audio. Wait, no. Should this return a promise at all? So the thing I'm thinking about right now is like you can't manipulate the audio, like stopping it, pausing it, playing it, whatever, if it's not loaded yet. So you'd have to wait until it's loaded if you want to do those things. But if you play and pause something, I guess you would want it to play for that short bit. Okay, I'll just promise HTML audio elements, and I'll copy over this from the entry points. Wait, assets. But you should maybe have like a global audio you should maybe have like a global audio volume thing. You should also return audio. Should I start playing it here? I'll just do it like this for now. Can always change it later. Yawn, tired. Gonna end the stream soon, probably. So now I can say audio is wait and not create audio. Yeah, that works. Okay. Very simple audio. And I probably shouldn't commit this because I don't actually. I should find a better test audio thing. I could go for like a Kevin MacLeod song or something, but not too sure about that. Maybe I should figure this out next time. I'll figure this out next time. I'll just commit this without the audio file. If I have to delete this, just don't commit the file. I should add a to-do to that. To-do. Actually, I could do like audio volume. No, wait, just volume. Number. Volume is this. And play. Start. What do I want to do? Like, start playing immediately. Autoplay is probably the right term. Autoplay. Boolean should be optional. If no play true. Okay. Where, right, there's an entry point, so now I can do like, don't await it here, only awaits audio here. So now we immediately start playing it as soon as it's loaded, but we gotta wait for it to start playing to pause it. So now I can start throttling connection. And after the wait a second. Alright, it starts off with this image. Oh, change that temporarily. No throttling now, let's start throttling. Then it should start pretty soon. Yep, okay. And it doesn't start playing the audio until the audio file is loaded. Come on. How big is this file? On Finder, it's 2.4 megabytes. Oh, that explains it. I'm gonna loosen up the throttling a bit to slow 4G. Yeah, there you go. It starts playing. It still jumped me. Probably just gotta lower the volume here. Why is it not 0.25? Or was it at 0.25 and I might be just stupid? Is that no throttling? Why is it not playing yet? It's loaded. Why is it not playing? Hello. Okay, I just reconnected my microphone. It just stopped working for some reason. OBS crashed and all kinds of stuff happened. I hope that hasn't been an issue for too long. Oh dear. Oh. This really sucks. Okay, I'm just gonna end the stream here. I'm sorry if you were watching and wondering why my mouth was moving, but I wasn't saying anything. This kind of stuff just happens sometimes, and nobody told me that they couldn't hear me, so. Anyway, I hope you still enjoyed the stream. Probably gonna leave a comment on the stream afterwards to explain the issue. Maybe see where it happened. I hope this doesn't happen again. This was really stupid. Thanks, OBS. Also, thanks for crashing, OBS. Really appreciate this stable software. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. So to recap what I did today on stream, and also probably off stream, I should explain what I explained at the beginning of the stream. I implemented asynchronous loading of assets before the stream, and then during the stream I here did some cleanup stuff and fixed the like loading thing here, this one, to always be off screen even on like very thin displays when it should be off screen. And lastly, too much time was spent on this stupid arrow in the bottom right corner. This one. That arrow has taken way too much time out of the stream. I still hope you enjoyed though. Then, oh right, also the audio stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the stream. Sorry for all the technical issues at the end. I didn't know. See you next time, I guess.